These wings are everything. The chicken wings made in the air fryer. Yeah, you heard me. You didn't fry them. They're made in the air fryer. So they're nicely seasoned and nice and crunchy and delicious and everything in between. So guys, if you want to see how I made these wings, please continue watching it to the end. Thank you so much. Guys, I present to you the wings with 2 different dips. Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Efe and this is my kitchen, Efe Food Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making for you seasoned wings. So in front of you, you have olive oil, which is the cooking olive oil. You have hoisin sauce. You have garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, chicken seasoning, low sodium salt, because I'm trying to reduce my salt. And in that container over there is paprika. And also you have in that bowl the wings, which I've washed with lime and salt. So before I start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and subscribe, because I upload videos every week so you don't miss any of my uploads. And please as well, if you like this video, at the end of it, please give your girl a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe and share to all your friends and family. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So in front of you, you have the wings, which has been washed like I said before. So what I'm going to do is take out the tail, because this bit always gets burnt anyway. Let's take that off. Because we won't be needing this. So I'm going to be and then I'm going to cut this into 2 as well. So this is what we want. So I'm going to continue doing this till it's done. Then when I finish, I'm going to pat the chicken dry so it's crispy, because I'm going to be doing it in the air fryer. So as you can see, the chicken has been washed and cut. So I'm just gonna dry them so they're really dry. We want them to be very, very dry, not wet, so that when you cook them, they are nice and crispy. We don't want any moisture on them at all. So I'm patting them dry. So I'm getting ready to season them now. So the first thing I'm going to do is rub some oil, some olive oil over it. I'm going to put a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to massage that with my hands. So this will help the spices coat to the chicken. So the next thing I'm going to do is put some ground black pepper. I'm going to put, this is a half teaspoon measurement, so I'm going to put, a half teaspoon, because this is, as you guys know me by now, I like my spice. So next I'm going to put chicken seasoning. It is chicken after all, so I'm putting half tablespoon of chicken seasoning. We don't want no tasteless chicken around here. So next I'm going to put some paprika, I'm putting half a tablespoon. And then garlic powder comes next, a quarter of a tablespoon of garlic powder and half a tablespoon of onion powder. I'm not using raw onion for this. And last but not least, I'm putting my low sodium salt, a half tablespoon. That's it. I'm not putting any more because I don't want it to be salty. So now I'm going to massage it again properly so everything is combined and goes inside. So I'm going to leave this to marinate for a whole hour. Then when it's fully marinated, I'm going to put it in the air fryer. The air fryer has been preheating at 175 degrees for 5 minutes, so it's going to keep on preheating so that when I put it in, it's already hot. So that is it, guys. The chicken has been seasoned, so I'm going to cover it with some foil and let it marinate properly. So we'll have some nice juicy tasty chicken. So I'll see you guys in about an hour when it's been marinated. So guys, let's have a look at our chicken. It's been exactly an hour and a half. I even added 30 extra minutes so it can all be combined. So that's our chicken ready to go into the air fryer. And that's the air fryer, which I'm going to line with some foil. I'm going to line it with some foil. And I'm also going to add a tiny bit of oil to the foil so it doesn't stick to it. So now let's get ready to load this into the air fryer with our tongs. I'm gonna load it. I'm gonna try not to overlap it to each other, but even if it does, it doesn't matter because halfway through I'm gonna shake it. So I'm gonna be putting this, so the temperature, the air fryer is preheating at the moment at 175 degrees. So these wings are going to be cooking for about 15 minutes to 20 minutes till it's nice and crispy and golden brown. Then halfway through, I'm going to shake it and turn it to the other side so that everywhere is the same. Everywhere is brown. So guys, I've just loaded the chicken wings into the air fryer basket. The air fryer has been preheating, it's still preheating at 175, so it's hot. So I'm going to be grilling this till it's nice and crispy and golden brown for between, I'll say 15 to 25 minutes or maximum 25 minutes till it's nice and golden brown. Halfway through, the next 10 minutes, I'm going to turn it around, shake it and turn it around so it's all nice and brown. So I'll see you when it's ready. So guys, I'm looking at the wings, so I'm just going to be turning it round to the other side. It's halfway cooked, so I'm going to be turning it round so everywhere is brown. I'm going to be mixing this 2 dips we use with the wings. So the first one is garlic and herb sauce, Hellmann's. So this one, I'm going to be putting that in here. Gonna be mixing that with some Greek yogurt as well. That's finished. I have to open another one. So this is garlic and herb sauce. So I'm going to be mixing that with some Greek yogurt. I'm going to be putting 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt, and also going to be putting paprika as well, half a tablespoon of paprika. I'm going to give that a mix. So that's going to be one of the dips for the wings. Let me taste. That's nice. So that's going to be one of the dips. And then the second one is going to be hoisin sauce and honey. And tell me which one you prefer. Okay, so I'm going to be putting some honey as well. I'll eyeball it, but I'll say a tablespoon of honey. So those are the 2 dips we're gonna be using with the wings. So I think the wings are ready, so I'm ready to take them out now, so I can show you guys what it looks like. Guys, here are the wings. They're fresh out of the air fryer and they're nice and crispy. See how crispy and brown. So I'm going to be dishing it out and showing you what it looks like. So I'm going to show you one. Let me look for a tiny one. This one. I'm going to show you what it looks like. See how nicely seasoned it is on the inside. See? Nice and seasoned. That is so delicious, guys. I wish you were here to share it with me. Don't worry, I'll send some to you through the internet. Guys, I present to you the wings with 2 different dips. So that is the hoisin and honey, and that is the garlic and herb mayonnaise with Greek yogurt and a bit of paprika. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and if you've not subscribed, please hit the red subscribe button so you'll be part of this family. So let me bring it up close so you can see. So that is the wings, guys. So thanks for sticking by up to this point, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.